Hello, and in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to enter in a Google Meeting using your Gmail application. And I am using a Huawei device, this tablet, Huawei MatePad 11.5. And as we all know, this is not actually have a built-in Google applications due to some restrictions. So I'll be teaching you on how to install this Google applications. So first is you go to Huawei store. So here, example, you are connected to the internet and you open this application App Gallery. So App Gallery is it is the application store or app store like Google Play Store for Android devices, and you can use that to install the application I am talking to, which is the Gbox. So here, Gbox is available in the App Gallery. Just connect to the internet and log in your account, and you can able to install Gbox from App Gallery. And after that, inside this Gbox, so click the Gbox, and it will provide recommended apps, and you can install Google applications based on what you need. So for example, we will be discussing in this video on how can we enter Google Meeting using Gmail and using a Huawei device. Then after that is click Gmail application. So I have this emails, and just click here in the left side, left panel. We have this meeting logo, and make sure you have your meeting code or the meeting link. For example, here, join with the code, and it will also provide an example format of the code. So if we will be trying to use our meeting link in our class, so here we have example. So I have this link, okay, and code, and paste that link, delete the, and click join.